How to pay bills online with PNC Bill Pay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to pay bills quickly and securely, well, let me walk you through setting up bill payments using the PNC Bill Pay. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC Mobile App on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply go to the bill pay or the pay bill section, and there to make a payment you have to choose a payee from a list or add a new one. And here once you have selected the payee, simply enter the payment amount and the date, and after that you can just tap on submit payments, and most payments will post by the next business days. But if you want to automate it, you can just tap on manage my bills option, and after that simply select auto pay and set up auto pay option. And there you just have to enter payment amount and frequency and choose a start date and then add to schedule, and after that the PNC account will start scheduling your recurring payments, and you can change or cancel scheduled payment anytime before they process. So to do that, you simply have to tap the edit or cancel icon next to the upcoming payments and confirm it. And that's it. Paying and managing your bills with PNC Bill Pay is fast, flexible, and secure. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.